Bernard Kurt Ian, as the son of Ms. Arlen Bernard. Kahanap Atkins John S., as the son of Mr. and Mrs. Rock and Alvera Kahanap. Fajardo Charlie G., as the son of Mr. and Mrs. Aljon and Catherine Fajardo. Likayan Dan A1M, is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Danilo and Janes Likayan. Manlakat J., is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Anaclito and Rosalie Manlakat. Raniel Jade, Raniel Jade O., is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Ramel and Caroline Raniel. Ampo Elgin A., is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Elmer and Janet Ampo. Biro Maria Eliza G., is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Raul and Maribit Biru. Bihog Alia Nicole G. B., as the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Constantino and Geraldine Bihog. Felicelda JCP, is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Epemaco and Melissa Felicelda. Ampo Jane A., is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jason and Jeannie Ampo. Garcia Jen C., as the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Freedy and Mary Jean Garcia. Lita Mary Divine B., as the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Romeo and Marilyn Lita. Maglayon Azea May A., is the daughter of Mr. Raven Bell Maglayon and Judgy May Amoncio. Orang Donna O., is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Roldan and Evelyn Okmar. The last but not the least, Orang Aina A., as the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Chuhines and Mary Ann Umang. Okay, congratulations!